Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here. We're always looking for ways to improve your business or improve efficiency. So today I just want to talk about timing tools and a company that you can hire them from. Okay, so we've got this Fiat 500X. Never seen one in my life. Got an inquiry to do a 60,000 service on it, which includes a timing belt. So using Haynes data, which we could go through and you can see how good the instructions are for the timing belt. I was able to go through there before doing the quote and see, okay, we're going to need some specific timing tools. So got onto a company called Mechanics Tool Hire. You can get to them by www.mthire.com.au, and really good website I found. So they're all listed out. I could look at the pictures of the specific kits. I could see that the kit matched what I needed on Haynes there. So in this case, we got the job. We take out the vacuum pump at the back and we lock up the cam, and then on the front, down on the crank, we've got a tool that's going to lock the crank up there for us. So with confidence, I was able to basically quote the job. I was able to get a new customer because I imagine a lot of places around here probably would have turned it away not knowing or saying you need specific tools, and you can charge the cost of the hire of the tool onto the customer anyway. So really everyone wins in the end. The customer gets it done for a reasonable price, much cheaper than the dealer. We can do a professional job, know that I'm not going to run into any nasties on this Friday afternoon, and everyone wins. So check it out, Mechanics Tool Hire. I think it's going to be something to use in the future as more and more of these cars need specific tools, not just for timing kits, but for all kinds of different jobs. Thanks guys.